Students, good morning. Today I discuss you in first paper. First of all, read the passage and answer the question A and B. আমি আজকে শুধু তোমাদের প্যাসেজগুলো বলে দেব, আনসার আজকে আমি বুঝাবো না। তোমরা এটা তোমাদের হোম টাস্ক থাকবে, আনসার তোমরা করবা। কুয়াকাটা, locally known as Sagar Kanya, daughter of the sea, is a rare scenic spot located on the southernmost tip of Bangladesh. Kuakata in Lata Chapali Union under Kolapara police station of Patuakhali district is about 30 km in length and 6 km in breadth. It is 70 km from Patuakhali district headquarters and 320 km from Dhaka. An excellent combination of the picturesque natural beauty, sandy beaches, blue sky and the shimmering expanse of water of the Bay of Bengal and the evergreen forest makes Kuakata a much sought after tourist destination. The name Kuakata takes its origin from the story of a kua or whale dug on the sea shore by the early Rakhine settlers for collecting drinking water. The Rakhines had landed on Kuakata coast after being expelled from Arakan by the Mughals. Following the first whale, it became a tradition to dig wells in the neighborhood of Rakhine homesteads for fresh water supply. The Unit 8 Lesson 5 থেকে প্যাসেজটা তোমাদের আমি দিয়েছি। অর্থ দেখো, কম্বিনেশন হচ্ছে সমন্বয়, সমাহার, ভাইব্রেন্ট প্রাণবন্ত, হেরিটেজ ঐতিহ্য উত্তরাধিকার, হোমস্টিড ভিটেমাটি, ইন্ডিজেনাস দেশজ দেশীয় স্বজাতীয়, আই ক্যাচিং আকর্ষণীয়, ডিভোটি ভক্ত, নিবেদক, আরাধক, উপাসক, পূজারী। Kuakata is one of the unique spots which allow a visitor to watch both the sunrise and the sunset from the beach. That perhaps makes Kuakata one of the world's most attractive beaches. The long and wide beach at Kuakata has a typical natural setting. These sandy beach slopes gently into the bay and bathing there is as pleasant as is swimming or diving. Bay of Bengal with colorful diving. Kuakata is truly a virgin beach and a sanctuary for migratory winter birds, fishing boats playing in the Kuakata. The indigenous culture of the Rakhine community and 100-year-old Buddhist temples indicate the age and tradition and cultural heritage of this area. Kuakata is also a holy land for the Hindus and Buddhists. Each year, thousands of devotees come here to attend the festivals Rash Purnima and Maghi Purnima. On these 2 days, pilgrims take holy bath and enjoy going to the traditional fairs. Read the following text and make a flowchart showing the things that we are taught as a child. Number 1 has been done for you. As a child, you must have been told to greet your elders and visitors to your home according to your culture and tradition. You must also have been taught to be polite in company and keep quiet while others, especially your elders, speak possibly. You at times guards such schooling. Possibly at times you even protested such discipline. Now, certainly, you know that you can't always behave the way you want, especially in the presence of others. There are rules of behavior you have to follow in a company. We are social beings and have to consider the effect of our behavior on others. Even if we are at home and dealing with our family members, we have two terms to describe our social behavior: etiquette and manners. Etiquette is a French word and it means the rules of correct behavior in society. The word manners means the behavior that is considered to be polite in a particular society or culture. Manners can be good or bad. For example, it is a bad manner to speak with food in one's mouth. No one likes a bad mannered person. Remember that etiquette and manners vary from culture to culture and from society to society. We learn etiquette and manners from our parents, families, and various institutions such as schools, colleges, and professional bodies. There are rules of behavior for all kinds of social occasions, and it is most important to learn them and practice them in everyday life. The manners that are correct in a wedding reception will not do in a debating club. Therefore, we have to be careful about etiquette and manners. We know how important it is to say please and thank you in everyday life. A few more polite expressions, such as pardon me, excuse me, may I, are bound to make your day smooth and pleasant. Unit 4, Lesson 1. To greet the elders and visitors. এভাবে আর পাঁচটা করবে. Write a summary of the following text. Beauty is easy to appreciate but difficult to define. As we look around, we discover beauty in pleasurable objects and sights, in nature, in the laughter of children, in the kindness of strangers. But asked to define, we run into difficulties. Does beauty have an independent objective identity? Is it universal or is it dependent on our sense perceptions? Does it lie in the eye of the beholder? We ask ourselves. A further difficulty arises when beauty manifests itself not only by its presence but by its absence, as well as when we are repulsed by ugliness and desire beauty. But then ugliness has as much a place in our lives as beauty, or maybe more, as when where is widespread hunger and injustice in a society. Philosophers have told us that beauty is an important part of life, but is not ugliness a part of life too? And if art has beauty as an important ingredient, can it confine itself only to a projection of beauty? cannot ignore what is not beautiful. Poets and artists have provided an answer by incorporating both into their work. In doing so, they have often tied beauty to truth and justice, so that what is not beautiful assumes a tolerable proportion as something there represents some truth about life. Unit 14, Lesson 1. এবার আসো একটা কবিতা. Write down the theme of the following poem, not more than 50 words. I will arise and go now, and go to Innisfree, and a small cabin built there of clay and what else made. 9 bean rose wool I have there, a hive for the honey bee, and live alone in the bee loud glade. I shall have some peach there, for peach comes dropping slow, dropping from the bells of the morning to where the cricket sings. There midnight's all a glimmer and noon a purple glow, and everything full of the linnet's wings. I will arise and go now, and go to Innisfree, and a small cabin built there of clay and what else made. 9 bean rose will I have there, a hive for the honey bee, and live alone in the bee loud glade. I shall have some peach there, for peach comes dropping slow, dropping from the bells of the morning to where the cricket sings. There midnights all a glimmer, and noon a purple glow, and evening full of the linnet's wings. এরপরে একটা রিঅ্যারেঞ্জ দেখো. Nevertheless, Tereshkova continued her education, though distance learning. Valentina Tereshkova was the first woman to go to the space. On the morning of 16 June 1963, Vostok 6 was launched faultlessly. Her father was a tractor driver and her mother worked in a textile plant. Tereshkova got trained in skydiving, making her first jump at age 22 in 1959. Tereshkova began school in 1945 at the age of 8, but left school in 1953. On 16 February 1962, Valentina Tereshkova was selected for Vostok 6. She was born in the village of Maslenikovo, Tuteevsky district in central Russia. She became interested in parachuting from a young age. It was her expertise in skydiving that led to her selection as a cosmonaut. Fill in the gaps দেখো. A most important truth which we are apt to forget is that a teacher can never truly teach unless he is still learning himself. A lamp can never gap another lamp unless it continues to be তোমাদের বসাতে হবে its own flame. The teacher who has come to the end of his subject, who has no traffic with his knowledge but merely his lessons to his can only have their minds. He quicken them truth not only must inform but is, if the inspiration dies out and the information only accumulates, then truth loses its the greater part of our learning in the school has been waste, because for most of our teachers, their subjects are like dead specimens of once living things with which they have learned acquaintance but no communication of and love. আরেকটা হচ্ছে সুইটেবল ওয়ার্ড দেওয়া আছে, fill in the blanks, ক্লু দেওয়া আছে, কোন শব্দটা বসবে তোমরা ডিসাইড করে বসাবা। যেমন ক্লিয়ার, ল্যান্ড, ডায়াসপোরা, আইদার, কনসার্ন, ট্রিটি, মুভ, বি, global, attention, people, refugees. Among the great of history is that of the Jewish people who were forced to leave their in ancient times. The sea of Aryans from Central Europe to the Indian subcontinent thousands of years ago is also a noteworthy diaspora. Although the causes of this diaspora are in 20th century history, the Palestinian diaspora has attracted a lot of and been a cause of for world leaders because of the plight of Palestinians. There have massive diasporas in Africa too over the centuries, because of war or because of the eye of nature. But the chief reason why the phenomenon of diaspora is attracting so much attention now is এভাবে তোমরা গুলো করবা। কতগুলো কোয়েশ্চেন দিচ্ছি সেটা দেখো। হাউ ডু ইউ ডিফারেন্সিয়েট কুয়াকাটা ফ্রম আদার বিচেস? হাউ ডু ইউ ডিফারেন্সিয়েট কুয়াকাটা ফ্রম আদার বিচেস? হোয়াট ডু ইউ আন্ডারস্ট্যান্ড বাই সাগর কন্যা? হোয়াট ইজ নোন অ্যাজ দ্য সাগর কন্যা? হোয়াট ডু ইউ understand by Sagar Kanya? What is known as the Sagar Kanya? What, according to the text, makes Kuakata a much sought after tourist destination? What, according to the text, makes Kuakata a much sought after tourist destination? Why do you think Kuakata is called a virgin beach? Why do you think Kuakata is called a virgin beach? What is the most unique characteristics of Kuakata beach? What is the most unique characteristics of Kuakata beach? আজকে তোমাদের ক্লাস আমি এই পর্যন্তই নিলাম। তোমরা হোম টাস্ক হিসাবে আমাকে আনসারগুলো করে জানাবে। পরের ক্লাসে আরেকটু সময় বাড়িয়ে ক্লাস নেব। থ্যাঙ্কস অল অফ ইউ।